I could have sworn I saw Jesus. I was staring in my dream and I saw this image. I stared at it for 10 seconds and then I went and blinked. And when I was blinking, I saw Jesus. So I want you to try it. I'm going to put an image up. I want you to stare at the four dots. Stare at the four dots in the image. And then after you finish looking at the four dots in the image, I want you to turn your eyes to probably something that's black or whatever, or that has one color, and start blinking your eyes. And you'll see Jesus, just like I did.